To start the process for putting the system into parking brake maintenance mode on this 2019 Ford Escape, and honestly other Ford vehicles that have the electronic parking brake, first part of the process is to step on the gas pedal and hold it to the floor. The next part is to push and hold the parking brake release button, push and hold that down, and then cycle the ignition switch twice to where the lights in the dashboard come on. 1, 2. And you should hear the parking brake motors actuating. And then you should get a message in the dash saying that park brake maintenance mode is in, and you'll see the orange service indicator there. So once you see this, you can switch ignition switch off and proceed with working on the rear brakes. All right, so the next step here, once you get the brake caliper off and pads off of it, is to compress the piston. So just like the Mazda 6 I think it was that I showed a while back, this piston should just push straight in. You don't want to turn it. You don't want to disturb the notches on the piston and rotate it out of position. So we'll use a compressing tool like this one here. I'll get it set up and resume the video. All right, so got that set up, and should just be able to compress it pretty easily. As you can see, it is not turning the piston, it's just pushing it in. You could probably even use the other type of tool, which looks sort of like a caulking gun, to compress this, but this is the one I like to use on rear calipers. And you should only have to use finger pressure to screw that tool in to push that piston in. As you can see here, the piston is pushed in. So we'll continue cleaning up the hub and everything else so that we can start assembling the brakes. We'll need to take it out of service mode, and to do that is basically like putting it in service mode, but a little bit different. So first step on the gas pedal all the way to the floor and hold it. Second, pull up on the parking brake switch, and then cycle the key to the on position twice. And you should hear the parking brake motors actuate. And once that's done, you'll see that the parking brake is set and the maintenance messages are gone. And so we'll just go ahead and step on the brake pedal a couple times, pump it up like I always say in my brake pad videos. Then from here, we'll test the parking brake function, make sure that it releases and sets properly. Okay, released, set, and just do this a couple of times. Okay, I'm pretty satisfied with that. I hope this abbreviated version of the rear brake job video has been helpful for you. If you like this kind of video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Anyway, have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.